So you might be having an issue with your Android phone where for some reason your keyboard is just not working. Now this can happen for a few different reasons, but usually it's a very easy fix. The first thing you want to try though is to just go ahead and hop out of the prompt of what you were in. So let's say you were just in messages. Go ahead and try opening up the application after you close out of it in multitasking. So go and open it back up. Try to get the keyboard going again. And if it starts working now, then you are good to go. It's probably just a glitch. But if that doesn't work, another thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to your settings application. You want to go and click on apps, and you want to go ahead and basically see all 87 apps, and you want to find your keyboard. Now, if you're using Gboard, you can probably find it within here. If you're using whatever other keyboard you're using, you want to go ahead and find it within here. You want to go and click on it, and all you want to do is go ahead and force stop this specific keyboard. So go and click on force stop right there. Go ahead and click on OK. And then what's going to happen is, I think maybe if it works, whatever, what you want to do then is go back into your application and try opening up the keyboard once more. That may end up fixing the situation as well, and that's probably all you had to do. Now, another thing I would recommend doing is seeing if it's a specific application that's pausing or stopping the keyboard, or if it's all application. If it's all applications, you may want to try updating your phone. We'll get into that in a second. But if it's a specific application, go inside of your Play Store and try searching up that application. Let's say it was Instagram or whatever the application was, and see if there's an update available for it. Majority of the time, if that's the issue, all you have to do is just update the app, and that will probably end up fixing it too. If that still doesn't work, another thing I'd recommend doing is going through and just updating your phone. So make your way over to your settings application, scroll down until you see system, scroll over until you see your little software update, wherever it is. So click on system update. I couldn't even find it for a second. See if there's an update available. If there is, just go ahead and update your phone, and that will probably end up fixing the situation as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. You can also go through and just, restart your phone. You probably don't have to factory reset it. You can also try using a different keyboard, but that pretty much covers it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.